Hi guys, Max from Metro. Another Academy kit that just came in recently that I thought you'd all be interested to look at. This is the new 1/144 scale P-8 Poseidon, 8A Poseidon from Academy with Australian markings, which is really, really cool. So this was a little bit unexpected, but great choice. And the beauty of it is, if you don't know yet, there's a sprue in there that says E7A. So they're obviously going to do the wedge tail in the future, so we're looking forward to that. So let's have a look what's in the box. So here it is. So let's have a look what's in the box. What do you expect from Academy these days? Nicely moulded parts. That's all the wheel bays. Now this is a new tool kit. I believe it's not a copy of the older Minicraft kit that these guys have been doing and re-releasing it much better prices. This is a beautiful looking kit. So, yep, come out of there. So we've got that. So there's the clear parts, just a basic as you'd expect from an airliner type kit. But this is the fuselage. It's got all the right bits, gives you all the right lumps and bumps. Just beautifully moulded, just really, really nicely done. Obviously, oh, there's a little bit of detail in. Oh, that's more to support the undercarriage, the cockpit. So that's quite nice. These are all undercarriage parts and doors and things like that. So it's really, really nice. So that's cool. Then we've got the wings. So that's all the bits there. Nicely engraved, nice little detail there. Engines, of course. All the bits and pieces. Oh, there you go. There's parts of the pods and stuff like that. So that's very cool. And then, as I said, this is all your wheel bays and stuff like. Now, the interesting thing is on one of these sprues, and I can't remember which one, it actually says E7A. So, as I said, obviously they're planning to do it. Now, the interesting thing with this one is that in Australia here, the supplier decided to do us all a favour, and they got made, for the Australian release only, a mask. So you don't have to go and buy one. It's all there. So it gives you the canopy, wheels, and everything else, which is really nice of the crew that did it here. So if that's going to continue, that's also going to be very, very good. Decals, of course, as I should have showed you there. You got US Navy. There's the Australian ones. So there's the Australian markings there. Looks like 11 Squadron. So there you go. So that's pretty cool. So that's the decals. No etch metal, but then I didn't really expect it in 1/144th. So there you go. This is all your colour guides again, instructions, layout, parts layout. Hang on a sec. What do we got here? So that's colour guides. Gives you all the rundown on what you need and everything else. That's the Australian one down there. What's over the back? Oh, this is just a parts layout and a stencil guide as well. So that's pretty cool. And there's your instructions. Again, in the usual style of Academy. Very nicely done. Pretty straightforward. Nice layout. Excellent choices. There's all your detail there again. So yeah. So I'm really looking forward to this. I don't build much 1/144 scale, but I think I might be giving this one a go. So very, very nice kit, just superb. If you're chasing one down, do it soon because we're running a little low at the present time. So that's, if you're chasing one of these, go for it. Now, however, there is one other I will quickly show you. This is only just to show you something interesting. This is, oh, where is she? There she is. This is the Academy release of the old Minicraft PV1 Ventura. The beauty of this is, unfortunately there's no etch metal in it, but again, the guys that brought this kit in have done a new decal sheet for it. So what they've done is given us, Academy included a mask, but there's the decal sheet for an Australian one. And there's the details. It's a silver one, so it's similar to the one that they did in 48 scale, so they've just done it down in 72nd scale. if you've seen the kit, it's a nice kit, goes together pretty well. It's a bit old, so it takes a little bit of work to clean it up, but to have Australian markings in it and include a mask, that's very, very cool. So that should be quite a nice one. If you've ever attempted to do one, you thought, nah, I don't want to do American one or whatever, then now you can do an Aussie one. So there you go, guys. That's a quick little rundown on some Academy kits, box openings, things like that that you might be interested in. Just a quick one. If you want to see more of what we've got coming out and everything else, sign up to our newsletter. We're doing it all the time. They come out almost weekly these days. But there's also sometimes you might see that there's some specials if you're a subscriber or a newsletter subscriber. So keep an eye out for them as well. Sign up. It's on the bottom of the webpage. Have a great day. Enjoy your modelling, and we will do some more of this later. See ya.